morning, guys. In this session, we are going to learn how to multiply 3 by 3 matrix. In the previous session, we have multiplied how to multiply a 2 by 2 matrix in a detailed way. Okay. In this class today, we are going to multiply a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, in a detailed procedure. Let us see how he will ask you question, how you are going to solve. If he is given, if A is equals to matrix, he is given one matrix that is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5 and matrix B of order 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Then find AB. What he is telling? Find AB. AB in the sense multiplication. Right. Now see what he is given. A into B we are going to find. He is given A matrix, he is given B matrix. Let us write. Okay. Again. What he is given? He is given two matrices of order what? A is equals to, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5 and B is equals to what? 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Right. First step, algorithm we have to procedure with the algorithm. What is this? First we have to find the order of the matrix. See, what is the order of matrix A? It is of order 3 by 3. Similarly, of order matrix B is also of order 3 by 3. First step, what we have to find in order to do multiplication? First step, we have to search that the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix or not. Okay, if they are equal, then only matrix multiplication exists. Therefore, shall I write from this? Therefore, the number of columns of first matrix is equal to the number of rows of second matrix. Therefore, from this what can I say? Therefore, matrix multiplication, what can I say from this? Matrix multiplication exists. What is this? Therefore, matrix multiplication exists. Now what we have to do? We have to go for the further procedure. What is that? Multiply A and B. Now therefore AB is equals to, write the two matrices. What is the A matrix? 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. Similarly 3, 4, 5 into dot, that is B matrix. What is that? 4, 3, 2. Similarly 5, 6, 7, next step. 1, 2, 3. Now, how you are going to do the matrix multiplication now? First, that should be equal to, now take the term. First, take first row of the first matrix, multiply with the second matrix, columns of the second matrix. How? Take first row, multiply with first column, second column, third column. Okay, after completion of that, move to the second row, same as this. Second row with the second matrix, first column, second column, third column, multiply with that. Okay, similarly, vice versa, third row as it is. Now let us see how we are going to multiply. Now, see here, first row, first element with the first element of the first matrix with the second matrix, first column, first element. Multiply, what you are going to get? 1 into 4. Okay, 1 into 4. Next, completion now. Plus, what you have to do? Plus. Next, second element with the second element. Multiply. What you will get? 2 into 5. Similarly, next addition. Third with the third term. 3 ones are 3. Similarly, now if you are moving to the second, okay, first column completed, right? First row with the first column completed. Next, move to the same as it is first row with the move to the second column. What is the second column? Now write down what you are going to write. Same, first row with the second column. Multiply and add, what you are getting? 1 into 3. If you are moving to the second column, here also move to the second column. Clear? Now, so that what you will get here from this? 1 into 3. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 6 plus 3 into 2. Get it? Means first element with the first element plus second element product of second element plus third element with the product of third element. Similarly, okay. Now have you completed this step? Now we are moving to the third column. First row with the we are done with first column, second column, right? Now we are moving to the first row with the third column. So as we are moving to the third column, here also you have to move to the third column. Clear? Now what you are going to get here? Now see here, first row with the third column. What you are getting? As we are moving to the third column, here also move to some space and move to the second column. What you are going to get there? 1 into 2, right? 1 into 2 plus this 2 into 7, right? Plus next 3 into 3. Clear? Now close the bracket. Why? Because there is no other columns here. Only 3 columns, so we are representing in 3 columns here. Similarly, first row with the 3 columns. See here, first row 3 columns. Similarly, now as we are moving to the second row, here also move to the second row. Clear? Now what you are going to get here? Second row, same procedure. Second row with the first column. What you are going to get? Do multiplication, matrix multiplication, 2 into 4. As we are moving to the second row, here also move to the second row. Therefore, what you will get? 2 into 4 plus sum plus into product of second two elements. 3 into 5 plus 4 into 1. Clear? Now, as we are moving to the first column is completed, right? Second row with the first column completed. So here, first column completed now. So now we are moving to the second column. Here also move to the second column. Same second row multiply with the second column here. What you will get? 2 into 3 plus 3 into 6 plus next 4 into 2. Now similarly, have you completed with the second column? Now move to the second row to the third column. Have here as we are moving here to the third column, same as this move here to the third column. Okay, second row, third column. What you are going to get? 2 into 2. Right? Leave some space. As we are moving to the third column, here, okay, take some space. As we are, it is appears like as we are moving to the third column. Now what you are going to get? 3 into 2. Right? So you can see here what you are going to get here. What you are getting here? 3 into 2, 10. 3 into 2 plus 4 into 7 plus what you are going to get next? 5 into 3. So, have you completed third column? Yes, successfully. Is there any columns to write? No. So we have to leave till third column. Now, we have completed with the second row all the columns. Now move to the third row. Okay. Now, as we are moving to the third row, here also move to the third row. Clear? Clear. As we are moving here to the third row, we are moving to the third row. Now, same as usual. What you are going to do? Third row with the first column. Multiply third row with the first column, second column, third column. What you are going to get? Third row into first column. What you are getting? 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus what you will get? 5 into 1. Similarly, third row first column is completed. Now we are moving to the third row to the second column. As we are moving to the second column, here also see as we are moving to the third row second column. Therefore, what you are going to get here? Tell me. 3 into 3 plus 4 into 6 plus 5 into 2. Now, have we completed third row with the second column? See here, third row with the second column completed. Now we are moving to the third row, third column here. Means here third row, as we are going to the third column, here also we have to move to the third column. That is, what is that? Third row, third column. Multiply it 3 into 2. Right? Next. What you are going to get here? Next one. 4 plus 4 into 7 plus multiply this to 5 into 3. Okay. Now what you are going to get? See here, you have 4 into 3. See here once again, first row with the first column, right? 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. As we are moving first row with the second column, here Am I clear? Next, 1 into 2. As we are moving to the third column, we are also moving to the third column. That is first row with the third column. What is that? 1 into 2 plus second row with the second element with the second element. 2 into 7. Am I correct? 3 into 3. Yes. Now, second row with the first column, right? As we are moving, see here, first row with the all columns completed, 3 columns. So we have to leave there itself. If we are having any columns, so we have to do the further procedure. If there are no columns, so wind up here. Now come to the next row. We have completed with the first row all the columns. Now come to the second row. As we are moving to the second row, here also we have to move to the second row. Now two multiplication same, vice versa. Second row with the first column. First element multiplied by first element plus second element multiplied by second element plus third element multiplied by third element. That is 2 into 4 plus 3 into 5 plus 4 into 1. Clear? Similarly, as we are moving first column completed, right? Next, now we are moving to the second column. Second row, second column. Multiply 2 into 3 plus 3 into 6 plus 4 into 2. Clear? Have you completed all the columns? Yes. Now we are moving to the third column. Second row with third column. What you are going to get? 2 into 2. See what you are getting? That's why I am telling you. What here? 2 into 2 plus 3 into 7. Yes? What is that? 3 into 7 plus 4 into 3. Clear? Now, see here what you are going to get now? Third row with the, as we are moving to the third row here, here also you have to move to the third row. Clear? Now, therefore, third row with the first column. What is that? 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 1. Similarly, have you are moving to the second column. Now, do the third row to the second column. Multiply what you are getting? 3 into 3 plus 4 into 6 plus 5 into 2. Since second column is completed, yes, please keep some space. So in order to, we are mentioning that we are moving to the next column, right? Now 3 into 2 next plus 4 into 7 plus 5 into 3. Is it clear? Now do the simplification. Okay, this is the important step where we are going to find the matrix multiplication. Next step is simplification. First step, do the simplification. What you are going to get here? 1 4s are 4 plus 2 5s are 10. Shall I write 4 plus 10 plus 3? Yes. Now we are moving to the second column here. Leave some space. Do the second. Now what you are going to get? 3 1s are 3 plus 2 6 are 12 plus 3 2s are 6. Similarly, see here 1 2s are 2 plus 2 7s are 14 plus 3 3s are 9. Now close the bracket. This bracket indicates the matrix symbol. Okay. Now 2 4s are 8 plus 3 5s are 15 plus 4 1s are 4. Similarly, next move to the second column. Here also leave some space. Move to the second column. What you are going to write here? 2 3s are 6 plus 18 plus 4 2s are 8. Similarly here, moving to the third column. Move here to the third. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 7s are 21 plus 4 3s are 12. Similarly here, come to the third column. Now we are moving to the third row. See here also move to the third row. What you are going to get? Simplification. 3 4s are 12 plus 5 4s are 20 plus 5 1s are 5. Similarly here, what you will get? 3 3s are 9 plus 6 4s are 24 plus 5 2s are 10. Now next step. Third column, what you are getting here? 3 2s are 6 plus 4 7s are 28 plus 5 3s are 50. Now do the simplification. What you are going to get? AB. What is this all are? AB. Therefore AB is equals to what you will get ultimately? 10 plus 4, 14 plus 3. How much? 17. Now 12 next step. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 6, how much? 21. Next 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 9, how much? 25. Similarly, move to this 15, how much? 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. Here 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 6, how much? 32. 21 plus 4, 25. 25 plus 12. How much? 37. Now 20 plus 12, 32. 32 plus 5, how much? 37. Next, 24 plus 10, 34. 34 plus 9, how much? 43. Similarly, next 28. 28 plus 15, how much? Or else do 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 28, how much? 49. This is the order of, what is the order we got? 3 by 3. Now check here. Have we got what is the resultant matrix or not? See here. The number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, right? The remaining matrix will be the resultant matrix. At last what we are going to find, that will be the resultant matrix. Have we got the order of 3 by 3 matrix or not? Yes. Therefore, hence proved. So this is the procedure. You have to find a 3 by 3 matrix. Clear? If you know, if you practice regularly, you can skip this one. Directly you can find this step.